Hello everyone, Navin Prithyani here from ForexWatchers.com. Okay, in this video we're going to be talking about support resistance and basically when support resistance works for you and when it won't work for you. So we'll discuss a few pointers there as well. So let's take a look at a couple things. Now the core basics of any support resistance line is you can't be looking at some of the stuff saying that right there is a support. Why? Because the market never pulls away from this area. Okay, so hope that's clear. So this can be a support equals resistance because that moves away and that's support, right? And once it crosses below, okay, that turns into what we call resistance once it moves away. Now, I personally like the ones that break through it very, very aggressively, my SNR areas. Okay, that's short for support equals resistance. So it comes down, it starts to pull back. Now, can I say this pullback, once it reaches up to here, that's my resistance? Okay, because it moved away a little bit. And then this move up here is now breaking resistance. So am I now in an uptrend? Is that a buy? Okay, so you have to be very aware that once you broke your previous support equals resistance, your line is here. And once it reached the low and it started to pull back, all of this is considered a pullback of that. All of this is a pullback until the next move. Okay, now if it comes into tries to violate this area, then we'll get an idea of what's the market trying to do. So if I take this further down and we see all of this stuff, coming down again, it's broken this massive support here, which becomes resistance. It holds. This is the area that it's all of this is the hold period inside of it. Okay, and then it finally breaks through and makes a new low, and this drags on as support equals resistance here. Now, support equals resistance also is an area that, is it my tails? Am I supposed to draw it like that? Or is it the body? Okay, so I personally like to do both. I like to say it's in that area. It will never be precise. It's always in that area. Okay, now in this one, the market does move away. He doesn't come lower, and then he goes higher like that. It's like, whoa. Doesn't that mean he's broken support equals resistance now? And so do we turn buyer now? Should we buy from the pullback when it comes to here? If I can extend this out, which resistance becomes support now. Thing is, if you look across my screen to the other side, we have the 4-hour charts, which is our big boy, right? And in this part is when I look at the bigger players, I look at this as coming down and down and down and down. Even though my 60 is saying that it's initiating to the upside, my 4 hours is still at support equals resistance. Okay? So having that said, is when your support equals resistance fails, just make sure the higher time frame is not in your way. Okay? Because that's the time when your SNR is not going to help you. And there are times when it does help you. So hopefully this support equals resistance video was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions and concerns in the comments below. Thanks.